Dr. Vikram.
Good morning.
Dr. Vikram, today my concern is about the youngsters, about the kids who are continuously reading books or working on computers, and their jobs are even on computer. And kids they watch so much TV, play
Yeah,
games on computers,
yeah.
and many small kids and youngsters are with glasses these days. So, what Ayurveda suggests about this condition?
In Ayurveda, it is mentioned that Heen Yoga, Mithya Yoga, and Ati Yoga of the sense organ is the cause of most of the problems.
Okay.
So, Heen Yoga means using less. Ati Yoga is using too much of sense organ. Mithya Yoga is wrongly using the senses, sense
Okay.
organs. So, sense organ, eyes are a very precious sense organ. It is one of the most precious sense organs which human beings are given.
Yeah.
So it is very important to take care of the eyes.
Yes.
And nowadays, children, they are just like angels.
Yeah.
And but parents, they should guide their children what to do.
Yeah.
Children, they don't know anything. They
Yeah.
just follow the parents. So if parents what they do, they allow their children to watch the TV for longer hours. They are working day and night outside and night shifts even, and the children are watching TVs
Yeah.
and
Playing games on
playing
mobile and
video
computers.
games and
Yeah.
playstations and things like that.
Yes.
PlayStation particularly has a lot of jiggery pictures,
Yeah.
too much flashy movements.
Yeah.
So that puts a lot of strain on the eyes. So eyes
Okay.
have to work hard
Yeah.
to get used to that PlayStation. So I don't recommend PlayStation at all to
Okay.
any children.
Okay.
I don't recommend these video games.
Mhm.
Naturally, if your child plays in the garden, that is what I would recommend.
Yeah, that's natural and
Yeah.
good.
Natural environment is very important for the eyes, for overall health. And children, not only children, but the adults, they are working on the computers
Yeah.
day and night, and they have a lot of work on computers. They try to put some screen and something, but still it is not useful because they keep on straining their eyes. They keep looking at the screen for hours and hours.
Yeah,
They
that's
should
right.
avoid the straining.
Okay.
At least give a break every 5 minutes, every half an hour.
Okay.
5 minutes or 3 minutes break. Every half an hour, you should close your eyes and just relax for a while, and maybe you can get out of your chair
Okay.
and try to relax. And if you ask me, basic exercises for the eyes, Tratak is what I would recommend. Tratak is just concentrating on one point,
Okay.
not on the pencil. Some people they recommend at the tip, focus on the tip of the pencil and do like this. That I believe that puts a lot of strain on your eyes.
Okay.
So I would recommend look at the moon
Okay.
in the night. Just concentrate on the moon during the night for about 3 minutes, 5 minutes,
Okay.
not more than that.
Great.
Sun is not what I would recommend because sun can cause damage to the eyes.
Okay.
Some people they recommend that early morning sunrise should be seen with the naked eyes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that can be done for 15 seconds or 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. But moon is you can see for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes,
Yeah. Even
15
10
minutes.
minutes. Yeah. It's relaxing
It's
also.
very relaxing to see the moon and the stars at
Okay.
night.
So, Dr. Vikram, if somehow the eyesight get weak, then what you recommend for that?
There are certain, first of all, life and diet and lifestyle is very
Okay.
important. Sleeping early in the night is
Okay.
very important. Sleeping well is nutrition is very important.
Okay.
For retina, this everything which is yellow in color,
Okay.
the food which contains
Yellow color, natural yellow color.
yeah,
Okay.
like corn.
Uh-huh.
Corn is very good for eyesight,
Yeah.
and the carrots,
Yeah.
the inner thing of carrots, very
Yeah.
good because it contains zeaxanthin, zeaxanthin and lutein.
Okay.
Yellow part of the egg is also good for eyesight,
Okay.
but I would recommend corn.
Uh-huh.
You can boil the corn and you can take it. You
Okay.
can give to children, not the frozen ones, but the fresh corn. Just
Okay.
boil the corn and then give it to your
Okay.
children. And zeaxanthin is very good for retina. carrot and beetroot and amla. I'm standing under the amla tree.
Yeah, we are near Amla tree.
So amla is wonderful for the eyesight.
Okay.
Amla is the world's richest source of natural vitamin C.
Uh-huh.
One small berry, I have a berry in my hand.
Uh-huh.
This one small berry, it contains at least 100 milligram of vitamin C. One small berry.
Okay.
So if you take 2-3 berries, then it is
Sufficient
very
for.
sufficient dosage of vitamin C.
Uh-huh.
Vitamin C is anti-aging,
Okay.
good for your skin, good for your eyesight,
Okay.
so good for your digestive system.
Uh-huh.
So it should be taken. We have amla juice. I recommend amla juice to my patients. I recommend trifla also.
Okay.
Trifla is 3 fruits. This
Uh-huh.
one berry is amla, other is vibhitki and the haritki.
Okay.
The trees are over there.
Okay. Yeah.
So I shown you the trifla.
Yeah.
In the
In
other
Trifla video we.
So trifla should be used.
Uh-huh.
Trifla powder can be used. You can soak it overnight and you can consume it in the morning.
Okay.
And trifla eye wash is very beautiful, wonderful for the eyes. You just rinse your eyes with the trifla powder
Okay.
with the mixing in the water.
Uh-huh.
Trifla water you can use to rinse your eyes.
Okay.
So such beautiful herbs are there to protect your eyes.
That's
And
great.
of course diet is very important and sleep is very important and natural living is very, very important.
Thank you very much, Dr. Vikram. I think now kids and youngsters will be having more insight into this and parents will be delighted. Thank you.
Very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.